Search engines are the new first impressions. Word of mouth advertising is a powerful way to build a business. But online reviews are the new word of mouth. Fact: 85% of consumers say they trust online reviews about a business as much as personal recommendations. What's being said about you? Enter your business information below to instantly scan all the world's top listing sites such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, Facebook, Yelp, and more to instantly receive your free comprehensive digital report. See exactly how your company's online brand looks. Valued at $497. But you pay nothing as a part of the special beta program. Zero, nada, ZIPPO, ZILCH. How easy is it for local consumers to find you online? You'll learn about your business's visibility grade, or how accurately you're listed in the top directories. This is crucial to get maximum exposure in the search engines. Missing listings simply means missed opportunities. So we provide built-in fixed listings buttons so you can take immediate action within the report to correct inaccurate or missing listings. This small step will immediately increase your online visibility. Find out your reputation grade. See how trusted and strong your reputation appears online. Plus, you'll be able to see all your reviews from all sites. Negative reviews as well as positive reviews are aggregated into your free report. Did you know 97% of consumers read as many as 10 online reviews when considering a company to do business with? We all do it. Instinctively, we choose the business with the best reviews. 85% of consumers said they trust online reviews about a business as much as personal recommendations from friends or family. Also included is a video visibility grade for your company. The fact is, consumers searching for your product or services love video. Your video visibility grade is based on how easily reputable videos about your business are found online. Did you know? Over 90% of consumers will watch a video before choosing to do business with a company. After scanning your company, and while our system aggregates your report, you'll need to download the accompanying 21-page industry report entitled Everything You Must Know About Managing Your Online Reputation. This free industry report outlines a strategy we call 5 stars in 5 days. Learn how easy it can be to hide or bury negative, unflattering reviews, and get an influx of positive reviews posted online to position yourself as the market leader in your niche. Enter your business name now to scan your business. Then download the free 5 stars in 5 days industry report so you can crush your competition, get more customers, and make more money. Enter your company information to get started.